Hi, this is Vishnuvardhan Reddy Tipparthi. This is the presentation regarding personal health records and its use in healthcare reduction. The personal health record is a tool for communication. They can be used for communicating with the healthcare professionals and the patients or the consumers who use the personal healthcare record can manage their health and also their healthcare. It solves the communication issues and lack of interoperability between EMR systems. With the use of PHR, the communication issues between the EMR systems, that is the information whatever present in the EMR system regarding the healthcare of a particular patient, can be solved and improve the efficiency and quality of care being provided. By using the PHR, the personal healthcare records, the quality of the care can be improved as they will be updated by the patient himself, and all the information present in it will be almost absolutely correct, and they are used by the individuals to involve in their own health. Personal health records are being considered as important in reducing the medical errors. PHR holds individuals' health information. PHR is nothing but the patient health record, which holds the individual's health information regarding the diagnosis, the tests being done on him, and all the pharmacy related information. PHR are used by the individuals to form health history records. The individuals maintain the PHRs to store all the health records in it. The past medication given to their sickness and all, and the present health condition, the test, the results of them and all. PHRs can be divided into two categories. The PHRs that come under the HIPAA privacy rule and those that do not come under the HIPAA privacy rule. The PHRs that come under HIPAA privacy rules are those PHRs that are provided by the entities that are under the rule. The PHRs allow individuals to add their information into them and will be able to edit those information. And all these functions should be done under the HIPAA privacy rule. The PHR that are not under HIPAA privacy rule, these PHRs also allow all the features, but the security of the information present in them is based on the policies that a particular vendor who provides the PHR. The software vendors provide their own policies regarding the privacy, security and accessibility of the PHR. There are some laws associated with the data protection for the PHRs that are not under the HIPAA privacy rule. Barriers in the use of PHR. These are some barriers that are in PHR usage. They are data accuracy, data privacy and security, digital and literacy related issues. Data accuracy. There are many concerns regarding the reliability and accuracy of data that is being entered and updated into the PHR. There are various methods there should be some methods to enter the information into the PHR. Lack of references about the information sources that is being entered into the PHR are some of the reasons for data inaccuracy. The vendor should make some guidelines for the consumers about the information, how it is to be collected and how it is to be entered. To avoid these issues, consumers should be able to review and verify their health information and inform the healthcare providers in case of any mistakes. Improved design of PHRs and some guidelines for data entry can improve the data accuracy present in the EHR. The next one is data privacy and security. An important and critical issue for PHRs is data privacy and security. Privacy of PHRs depends on adequate security that is being provided. Many participants wish to have restrictions on sharing their personal health information for other purposes. Consumers are interested in PHRs which are having patient-centric access and which also have login process. PHR should be able to keep track of the users who check into that. And PHR individuals should be able to give provisions about who can update and edit their personal health records. Digital and literacy related issues. Digital related issues are the major problem that is mostly affecting the use of PHRs by consumers who do not have knowledge about the computer usage and health related information. And as all the consumers still do not have knowledge about how to use the computer and access the PHR, this has become the major concern. They should be provided with some knowledge about how to use the PHR so that they can make use of it efficiently. Patients, healthcare providers, employers and others are showing interest in use of personal health records to improve quality and efficiency of healthcare to reduce the cost. Future of personal health records. Having all the information at one place is very good. The PHR makes the consumer very good by keeping all his health information at very one place. Ease of access to all the records. He can easily access all the records regarding his health very easily by accessing the PHR. Help reduce medical errors and improve healthcare quality. The PHRs play a very good role in improving the healthcare quality. Information that might be included. Journal about fitness and habits. The personal health records may also include some journals that will explain about the fitness, how a patient can keep himself fit, and what are the food habits he have to change, what are the food he got to consume based on his symptoms and his health situation. Availability of customer service through phone or online in case of any problems in its accessing. The PHRs are easy to access, but for the persons who do not know how to use the system and all, they will face certain problems in accessing the PHR. The customer service should be provided so that they can call them and ask them how to use the PHR and clear their doubts. Immunization charts. They can also provide the immunization charts in the PHR so that they can get immunized if required. A search manager to easily access a particular file. As the personal health record have many files, there should be a search bar so that they can type in and get the particular record by typing in the name. Capable of uploading paper records into the PHR. Instead of typing in all the information, it will be easy if there is a chance of uploading the paper records directly by scanning or faxing them. Conclusion. Overcoming the barriers. The barriers like data privacy and security, literacy issues, and data accuracy should be overcome in order to improve the use of PHRs in future. By taking steps so that the consumers get used to access the impact of PHR on the healthcare and its costs. Interest of the patients, doctors and healthcare providers in the use of PHRs is mostly the same. Research in future should concentrate on how the PHR will help in healthcare and what are the costs that will be a burden on the patients for using the EHR. The financial issues that arise with the PHRs, and all of them should be discussed. Thank you.